Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your local Costco on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change Costco locations because you moved. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Warehouse on the bottom right hand corner. Now, in the upper hand corner, go ahead and click on the word Change. Now, this is where you could actually enter your city, state, or zip code. And then a list of Costco's are going to appear, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your local Costco on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.